Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajpie. Today I will tell you about the circulatory system and what functions of circulatory system. The circulatory system is sometimes called the blood vessels and a blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, which is a muscular pumping device in a circulatory system, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. As the name implies, blood content of the vessels and a circulatory system is a pump by the heart around the closed of circuit and a vessel, as it is the process again it is a process which is again and again through the various circulation of the body. And the circulatory system as adult survival of the depending developing embryo depends on a circulation of a blood to maintain homeostasis and a favorable circular environment. It is in a response to this need to the cardiovascular system makes it appearance early in the development to the reaches a functional state, and long before the any other major organ system. It is the incredible as it seems to the primitive of the heart begins to beat regularly early in the fourth week of this fertilization in the cardiovascular system. The vital role of a cardiovascular system is maintaining homeostasis and depends on the continuous and controlled movement of blood then through the thousands of the capillaries that permeate every tissue and reach every cell in the body. It's the microscopic capillaries that the blood performs. Its ultimate transport function of cardiovascular system, and nutrients and other essential materials process pass from the capillary blood, and its fluid surrounding the cells as a waste product are removed. The cardiovascular system is a numerous control mechanisms to help to the regulate and integrate the diverse functions and components parts of the cardiovascular system in order to supply blood to specific body areas according to need. And this mechanism ensure the constant internal environment surrounding each body cell regardless and of a different depends for nutrients or a product of waste product of a cardiovascular system. And the various part of the cardiovascular system is a first is the heart is a muscular pump to provide the force necessary to circulatory of the blood to all the tissues in the body. Its a function is a vital because survive the tissues and need to the continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients and metabolic waste products also have to the removed. Thank you.